Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this Interactive Brokers review, including access to the platform and additional resources from my own usage experience, are available in the description below. Let's explore what makes Interactive Brokers such a popular choice for investors and traders, and who it's best suited for. Renowned for its low-cost trading, Interactive Brokers truly shines by providing access to a vast array of global markets. Think stocks, options, futures, and forex, you name it. A key differentiator is its impressive reach, spanning over 150 markets in 33 countries. This allows for a genuinely global investment strategy. Interactive Brokers is clearly designed with the advanced trader in mind, offering robust tools like Trader Workstation, TWS. TWS empowers users with customizable charting, comprehensive technical analysis capabilities, and in-depth market research. Furthermore, Interactive Brokers excels with its competitive commission structure and margin rates, making it particularly attractive to active traders. However, newcomers to investing haven't been forgotten. Interactive Brokers has significantly improved its interface with the introduction of IBKR Lite. This simplified version offers commission-free trading on US stocks and ETFs, making it much more approachable. Another valuable feature is fractional share trading. This allows you to invest in high-priced stocks with smaller capital, opening doors for beginners and casual investors alike. The mobile app is equally impressive, mirroring much of the web platform's functionality. This provides seamless access to manage your trades wherever you are. Security is paramount at Interactive Brokers, employing two-factor authentication and SIPC insurance to offer extra peace of mind. It's worth noting that there's a potentially steep learning curve for beginners due to the sheer volume of tools and data available. This makes it perhaps more suited to seasoned traders or those willing to dedicate time to mastering the platform. To aid in this, Interactive Brokers provides comprehensive research tools, news feeds, and access to third-party research, enabling well-informed decision-making. In conclusion, if you're seeking a comprehensive platform with global market access, low fees, and advanced trading features, Interactive Brokers is a strong contender. Whether you're a professional trader or a long-term investor building a global portfolio, this platform offers the tools you need. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information and to access Interactive Brokers.